Ready to supercharge your project management in Jira? Let's dive into creating a new sprint, the engine that drives Scrum and keeps your team focused. First, make sure you're on your project's board in Jira. This is where you'll manage your workflow. Next, head over to the Backlog section. This is where all your project's tasks or user stories live. Think of it as your task library. See that Create Sprint button? Click it. It's your ticket to sprint creation. You'll now see a form to configure your new sprint. The first thing to do is leave the defaults for a Scrum template. The Scrum template creates a sprint with your planned work organized inside. Give your sprint a clear and concise name, something that reflects the goals or theme for that sprint. This is critical for making sure everyone on your team knows the focus. Now, pull the stories and tasks from your backlog into your sprint. Simply dragging and dropping items gets the work into your sprint. These are the items your team will need to accomplish within the sprint's time frame. After this is set, you're ready to start the sprint. Click the Start Sprint button. Jira will then guide you through the final steps, but you have already set up the workflow, and now your team is on its way to accomplishing your goals.